People have looked at the sky for thousands of years, trying to make sense of what they saw, resulting in two main ideas. One idea is that the Earth is the center of everything. The other said the Sun was. These two ideas are called the geocentric and heliocentric models. There are ways to explain how the solar system works. The geocentric model puts the Earth at the center, and this idea was popular for a long time. People saw the sun, moon, and stars move across the sky, and they seemed to be going around the Earth. Ancient Greeks like Aristotle and Ptolemy supported this idea. They made complex systems to explain the paths of the planets, using circles and other shapes to show how things moved. Ptolemy's model was used for over 1,000 years and was the standard way people understood the sky. However, the geocentric model had a hard time explaining some of the things people saw. Planets sometimes seem to move backward in the sky, an observation called retrograde motion. To explain this, Ptolemy added extra circles to his model that were called epicycles, making the model very complex. As time went on, people started to question if the Earth was really the center. The heliocentric model puts the sun at the center, and it was not a new idea. Some ancient Greeks had suggested it, but it was Nicholas Copernicus who brought it back. In the 1500s, he wrote a book showing how the sun could be the center, and how the planets could go around the sun in circles. This model explained retrograde motion more easily. It made the solar system seem simpler. Galileo Galilei also played a big role by using a telescope to look at the sky. He saw that Venus had phases like the moon, which could only happen if Venus went around the sun. He also saw moons going around Jupiter, showing that not everything went around the Earth. Galileo's work helped provide further support for the heliocentric model, creating large amounts of controversy in the process. Johannes Kepler figured out that the planets don't move in perfect circles, but that they move in ellipses, which are oval shapes. This made the model even more accurate, and Kepler's laws of planetary motion, combined with Newton's laws of motion and gravity, gave a more precise scientific method of describing the solar system. The biggest irony of this discussion is that special and general relativity made the question simply a choice of frame of reference. Within general relativity, you can model all of space as rotating around the Earth in a geocentric fashion. This results in a model that more closely resembles that of Tycho rather than Ptolemy, but the point is ultimately, according to relativity, it is simply a choice of frame of reference. In conclusion, classical geocentrism is definitely unworkable, and under Newtonian dynamics, the Sun has to be the center of the solar system because of its large mass. However, the dynamics of general relativity ironically makes the question merely a choice of frame of reference. If you like this content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, please help support this channel. See the description for details.